All right, today is December 21st. Back at it. It's been a while. It's just been a little cold to be doing some painting. Got myself a heater. I'll show you that. But rigged up a hanging rack for my parts when I paint them. So I've got two rows of a cable to a pole and a bunch of hanging wire to hang my parts from. So I'll do my painting. I'll start working on that today, and then a little bit of grinding over the past couple months. Some rust has started to resurface on some of the items I cleaned up already, just because of the moisture and the cold and such forth. And then in here, so here's my heater. So got that going. Just bring the temperature up a little bit in order to finish the painting of the bottom of my car. So I've got some paint finally on mine, so I can finish painting here and in the corner and give another quick layer. And then on the inside, I'm cleaning the bottom hole there and the hole there, so I can get these plugs back in, so I can finish painting the bottom. So these that plug in, that plugs in. Those are original. I have to replace this one and that one. So I've already got a good primer coat on them already. These are the original ones. They cleaned it pretty good. So I will attach those now. Let those dry a little bit as I work on cleaning and painting, and I'll come back and once that dries, and then I'll start painting underneath. Get those rattle cans going again. So I'm using ceramic base paint for the underside. So it has a canish on the inside that has the activator. So I think it worked pretty good. Anyway, so that's it for now, and I'll get some updates.